How to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change Bitmoji gender in Snapchat. First of all, after you open your phone, before you open your Snapchat, go to your Play Store, App Store, and make sure you update your Snapchat app. After you update your Snapchat app, tap on this open button. So after you open your Snapchat app like this, tap on your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this settings at the top right side. Under settings, now scroll to down, go to this Bitmoji. Here is it now. After I open this Bitmoji, now tap on this or link my Bitmoji. So tap on this remove button. So under this remove, now tap on this create my avatar. So in this section, now select the gender you want to go with it. For me, I'll go with this men. So in this section now, it will give you more option to choose. So tap on this section to choose the haircut. So you can choose the hair. As you can see now, you can go ahead and choose the hairstyle. You can just go ahead and just your so after you finish all this customizing your Bitmoji, you can go ahead and choose all this information in this section. Like, so after you finish choosing all your outfit, tap on this save button. So as you can see now, I changed the gender of my Bitmoji on my Snapchat app. That's it guys on how to change Snapchat Bitmoji gender. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.